If you are using ChatGPT for a long time, then you will see lots of chat history will be saved one by one. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can delete particular chat history or remove all of them together. So there are different ways to delete the chat history. For example, this one I want to delete. So once you open it, we can click this three dot and it will be open this type of menu. From here we can choose delete button, or there is another option. If we move our cursor over there, there will be three dot will be appeared. We just need to click here and then it will open this type of menus. From here we have to choose delete. Both of the options will give you this prompt delete chat, and it is asking, are you sure you want to delete? If you delete it, it will be removed permanently. So I am going to click this delete button so that it will be removed. In this way we can remove only particular one chat history, but if we want to remove all of them together, how can we do? So to do this thing, at first we need to click on top of the profile menu. I'm going to click my profile and this type of menu will be appeared. From here we have to choose settings. We have to go settings and then very shortly it will open like this. From here we have to choose data controls. I'm going to choose data controls by clicking here, and here it will show this type of option. From here we have to choose delete all chat, and there is a delete all button. So we just need to click here and very shortly it will open like this type of window. Clear your chat history. Are you sure? Yes, I want to delete, so I have to choose confirm deletion. After clicking this button, we'll see everything will be cleaned. I'm going to click here and very shortly it will be removed. Then close this thing, and now you will see there is nothing. And that's it. In this way we can remove particular chat or all the chat history.